fundamentally here, they bought this to cut steels, cut harder materials, continuously unmanned as well, which is impressive.
Well, that's
really
where
impressive.
I'm going now, because the unmanned run, that's what they were after. First thing that Sean and Ryan both said to me is the pallets.
Yeah.
15 pallets.
Yeah, you've got 15 pallets here. Now again, this is one of the differences with the MX330. When they got that machine, it was for smaller 5-axis parts. They've got 10 pallets. Now they've got more.
Yes.
So more pallets, more run time, and we've even talked today about some of the fixturing they've been making themselves in order to maximise the working capacity of the machine.
I'm Peregrine's CAD/CAM engineer. I think Hypermill is so user-friendly, and the actual capabilities of it are incredible. A lot of the stuff that I've been programming, there's no way that it could be programmed on the machine, with all the collision detection and just the speed of it really is so efficient. We've got all of our tools, all of our holders modelled up, so when I'm programming on Hypermill, we call them straight up, and we can check the tools and holders for any sort of collisions on the model.
You mentioned earlier a brand that you can grow into, a range that you can grow into. What started with a super mini mill, having had no experience of machining at all, and very quickly realised that they needed to get bigger, more efficient, really complicated solutions, but actually with a fresh pair of eyes they were able to go through that journey.
This place has been buzzing this week, and I think it's about time everybody kind of got back together. Are you expecting much the same in Worcester next week then?
Yeah, I think we are. I think what's been good about this week, people are out there now, they're doing it, travelling is getting easier. Coming to Worcester, you know, we've got all the regulations in place. People want to see face to face now, talk face to face, talk about how their journey through manufacturing at the moment. We are all booming at the moment, and we've got some great applications, guys, at Worcester, and we're inviting people to come and talk.
What's changed with this machine? What's
well,
new?
this is the new Axia machine. So it's based on the older Axia, but we have applied a restyling, and not only a restyling from the let's say aesthetics point of view, but also we have improved some aspects of the ergonomics of the machine, and also we have included some, let's say, additional features to improve the behavior.
You're the machine shop manager here at IMI Critical Engineering, and you hold the budgets here from lubricants all the way up to machine tools here, but working with the adaptive system from Northbourne Work Holding, how has it really sort of helped you, and how has the feedback gone upstream to make this a better product?
FANIC's open house event is happening on Monday the 1st of November, so it's a couple of days away. Now, Brooke, what is the reason to come along to this event?
Just jumped onto the WFL stand. I'm here at EMO in Milan 2021. I'm here with the Managing Director of Car Machine Tools.
That first super mini mill, we got to a point where we were hitting it that hard. We had it skating around the workshop, cutting stainless. Literally full depth to cut. In my naivety on first starting, I had it trochoidal cutting stainless 316 with a 20mm diameter end mill, and it's not. It's a great piece of kit, but it's not designed for doing it. But we were slogging it full pelt, and thanks to HAAS obviously recognising where we were going, we moved up to a UMC 500.
I think that the one good thing the open house is very, very good for is showing off FANIC products. And one thing that's key, especially in our industry, is how quick technology moves on. So even kind of industry experts will still learn something.
Yeah, so I'll be at the open house showing off the RoboPod, showing off what it can do, along with my colleagues as well. And we hope for everyone to come and have a look, you know, get outside, come here to the FANIC open house, see our RoboPod in action, and just really get a feel for it up close and personal.
If you didn't get a chance to come and see us at EMO, this is a great opportunity to come and see our newest Delta robot in action, and have a look at some of the intelligent robot options which are interfaced with it.
The open house is about the future of automation. And the FANIC products, you know, they speak for themselves in the number of installations, but what we're going to be showing are some of the and machine handling and automation systems that are in the market, from the very entry level right through to the bespoke custom cells.
So our open house event will run from the 1st to the 5th of November, that's Monday to Friday. The Monday and Friday are going to be open days, so you can look around our exhibitions, our showroom area, and then the Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be more focused, and this area that we're in at the moment is going to be transformed into our main stage, so you'll be able to see keynote speeches, panel discussions. We'll have people such as Tom Boucher, our Managing Director, we'll have Mike Sykes from Mazak, various members from the MTC on our stage speaking about the future of automation. So the Tuesday we're going to have a much bigger focus on automation and the outlook of UK manufacturing. On the Wednesday we'll be focusing on business training apprenticeships. So we'll have our PTS team, our parts training and service department will be available for you to speak to. And then on the Thursday we're going to have a focus on Industry 4.0 and IoT. So if you're interested in the future of automation, then this event can't be missed.